So this is the pound yen analysis for Monday the 9th of April. Now let's just have a look what I've pricing with pricing may likely go. So on here on the pound yen, and what we have seen is prices come down. Found some support here around the 48.80. Strong V-shaped reversal of this sell-off just here. Had this move upwards. Had a brief pullback here from the 50.56. Got down towards the 150. Didn't quite get down towards the 147, 149.78. And what we did see was strong bullish buy side momentum breaking above this 150.56, head up towards that 151.25. Didn't quite get there. Came within a couple of pips or so. Let's just see how close we came towards this 151.25. So at this 121.50, sorry, 151.25, we came within 3 pips. Yep, within about 3 pips of the 151.25, from which we did see the sell side momentum taking us from this 151.25 back down towards that 150.56. From there, we found support again, and previously acted as resistance, now acting as support for a potential springboard towards the 151.25. We do seem poised to test the 151.25. We'll see whether we do find our sell side momentum return to the market to bring us back down towards our 150.56. If, however, we do break above the 151.25 and hold break above the 151.25 and hold it as support, we're then looking for price to progress towards a 152 level, successful break from which we're looking for prices up towards the very strong major level of the 52.85. If, however, we do see a breakdown in prices from the 151.25, we're looking for prices again to progress down towards our 150.56, successful break from which we're then looking for prices progress down towards our 149.78. And if we do see sufficient volatility, 149.10 may come into focus. Now, when we do get down to 149.78, I would expect 149.78 to hold, as we do have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average as well as a horizontal level previously marked out here in red. So the double confluence thus increasing likelihood of seeing bullish buy side momentum return to the market from this 149.78. Now, with that said, let's just have a look at the higher time frames. First, we'll have a look at the monthly chart. So here, over here on the monthly chart on the pound against the yen, and we are seeing a recovery here in the pound against the yen. We've had a few sharp sell-offs here and there, but we are still seeing that bullish buy side momentum. So we had a bearish month in February. Some bullishness came back in March, and so far we're bullish in April. So we do appear poised to retrace this entire candle. We'll see how prices progress from where we are at present. If we do see that further upside momentum and a continued recovery in the pound after seeing this sharp sell-off here. Now, let's just have a look at the weekly time frame. Over on the weekly time frame, we can see here we've got our lows, had a price progress upwards, had a higher low, possibly a higher low again, and a higher low, had a consolidation, slow move to the upside, sharp sell-off, and we are seeing this recovery since having that sharp sell-off over a couple of weeks or so. So we are seeing the recovery. The recovery hasn't been as strong as the sell-off. Sell-off was more, does appear more of a panic. So we are seeing this slow progression here to the upside, bringing us alignment with the overall trend more recently, which is to the upside. And if we have a look at the daily chart here on the pound against the yen, on the daily chart, again, we did have our sell-off. We've had this recovery upwards now. The recovery has been punctuated by these sharp pullbacks. If we do continue to see the, so we'll see. I suppose we could probably draw a bit of a channel here. We'll see how prices react again up towards that 152 in that zone between the 151.25 and that 152 level. Here on the pound against the yen, see whether we do see that sell side momentum possibly bringing us back down towards our 149.78. But we've had a strong run over the past couple of days here on the pound against the yen, and we've had a strong bullish run. So we'll see if we do see that continued progression to the upside in our retracement and retest our old highs here above in around that 156 over the next coming weeks and months. Now, with that said, that wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.